look good for video scroll on TikTok and do edges and shine up your mood.
Hey, hey, if you want to see the big kitchen mix, go on Kelly Toons. Only on Kelly Toons. Ackee meat saltfish, only on Kelly Toons. Granny Pearlieen cooking while the old radio tune. Big yard vibe Sunday afternoon. If you love Jamaica, subscribe Kelly Toons. Ackee meat saltfish, only on Kelly Toons. Like, comment, share, make it bust real soon. From the kitchen pot straight to the cartoon. Whole world watching Kelly Toons. Early Sunday morning, sun arise slow. Granny light the coal stove, fire start glow. Ackee from the tree, saltfish from below. Mix them in a skillet, now the magic start show. Scallion and thyme, pepper just right. Steam start rising, a soft morning light. Neighbor shout, Pearlieen, it smell nice tonight. Granny laugh loud, watch Kelly Toons tonight. Camera up on the table, tripod set neat. Cartoon style cooking, rhythm and beat. Every little stir make the flavor complete. Kelly Toons turning yard life sweet. Ackee meat saltfish, only pan Kelly Toons. Granny Pearlieen dancing to the reggae tune. Big kitchen mix under bright blue moon. Everybody run, go watch Kelly Toons. Ackee meat saltfish, only pan Kelly Toons. Island style cartoon coming very soon. From Jamaica straight to your living room. Trending #1 Kelly Toon. From Africa roots to Caribbean Sea. History not the pot, taste and legacy. Simple little dish but powerful like we. Kelly Toon show the world how it fi be. Zin fence rattle when the bass line drop. Kids them laughing when the dumpling pop. Granny said don't rush it, make the flavor lock. Whole yard gather when the lid top knock. Upload button press, premiere start play. Comments full up from UK to JA. Where me play it, everybody I say. Kelly Toons busting every single day. Ackee meat saltfish, only pan Kelly Toons. Like, share, subscribe, make it bust by noon. Big yard vibes in a cartoon tune. Worldwide family, Kelly Toons.